Salutations to all. Welcome back to Shiba Inu land. We're happy to have you here again. The next 3 days we'll see some truly terrible things happen to Shiba Inus. It is in your best interest to prepare for this. The data showed that in 2021 Shiba Inus had the best return of any breed based on data provided by coinmarketcap.com. One SHIB token would cost 0.73. The trading of these identical currencies would take place on October 27th. In the end, after less than a year, for an unprecedented sum of 0.8841, given the abundance of zeros in SHIB, it can be hard to see that it gained an astounding 1021 million% by removing 6 from its decimal point. By October 27, 2021, the position would be worth more than $1.02 million, assuming you were lucky enough to keep it. Midnight on January 1st, with the patience and resources to spend $1 in Shiba Inus. Year 2021, despite a decline towards the end of the year, Shibami nevertheless managed to achieve a profit of around $46 million. The best stocks usually have an annual return of 100 or somewhat more, so keep that in mind at all times. Watching this movie will give you a good idea of what to expect during the next 3 days. To see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu pricing estimates, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share the video and give it a huge thumbs up. How about we start the video right away? A further 6,134,869% would be needed to generate a profit of $1 at the present market price of 0.163 for a Shiba Inu. Considering that SHIB made a gain of around 121 million% in less than 10 months last year, this may seem like an insurmountable challenge. Using coin burn is the single most important thing you can do to help raise Shiba Inus. Tokens become completely worthless when burned, since they are sent to a defunct location on the blockchain. The value of the remaining currency should rise as a consequence of the removal of tokens from circulation. More than 410 trillion SHIB were destroyed last year after being transferred to an inactive blockchain address by Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum. Of the 1 quadrillion tokens that SHIB issued, 50 went to Buterin. Consequently, the number of Shiba Inus in circulation decreased by $40 worth of tokens would likely need the destruction of the great majority of tokens. An additional important consideration that could lead to a rise in the SHIB price is the impending launch of Sharam, a Layer 2 blockchain project. The Shiba Inu was built on the Ethereum network and is an ERC20 token. Although Ethereum is a reliable and long-standing cryptocurrency, its extensive use has led to network congestion and astronomically high transaction fees. ARM sets out to drastically cut transaction fees as one of its main objectives. Sharam will improve SHIB's acceptance among merchants, leading to even greater use of the payment method. With the goal of promoting a cryptocurrency environment with reduced transaction costs, SHIB and other coins inherent to the decentralized exchange ShibaSwap allow transactions. Digital land marketplaces and game non-fungible tokens are necessary for this, but they won't be viable options until transaction costs are drastically cut. Along with the selling of virtual plots of land within its own exclusive metaverse, Shiba Inu SHIB has been its own stablecoin for quite some time. An algorithmically stable coin with $1 parity, SHI is a famous cryptocurrency. Additionally, it is a digital money featuring an individualized Shiba Inu design. The main goal of SHI is to develop into a viable worldwide coin that can function on both Sharam and Ethereum at the same time. Among Shiba Inus, where SHI ranks high in both the stable and unstable cryptocurrency market. In addition, you will receive ShibaSwap 2.0 and other products, and as a first foray into the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu has chosen to launch SHI. Rather than prioritizing being a primary coin, this decision was made. Not only that, but it will also act as a store of value and a medium of trade. SHIB burn methods and the increasing use of Bitcoin are both thought to be beneficial for Shiba Inus. However, if the price of this cryptocurrency were to rise to $1, the supply would have to rise by about 5 million units. The cryptocurrency industry is currently going through a lot of upheaval but Steady Coin is ready to rock the boat. However, there are rare occasions when the entire quantity of Shiba Inu can reach $5,897 trillion. Cryptocurrency investors are hoarding shy in the hopes that their value would rise in the near future. If cryptocurrency investors want to make a little return, they should start looking for a risk profile with a more reasonable price point before Shiba Inu reaches $1. In this case, the investors would come out ahead. In the event that multiple significant positive triggers materialize simultaneously, the token's value has the potential to soar considerably higher than it is currently. The conventional wisdom holds that ship burn is a useless tactic when training Shiba Inus to jump. A 7-month-long bottom has been formed in the global Bitcoin market. The ship burn technique may have caused a burning desire, which in turn caused the prices to drop. One of the financial assets that is expected to be part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem is SHIB. A reliable coin. In particular, it must show how the Sharam ecosystem works with the decentralized Shiba Inu method. With a 1 cent value assumption, Shiba Inu's market capitalization will reach over $5.89 trillion, which is 10 times greater than Ethereum's, the network it relies on. The market cap of Apple will climb by 3 times, that of Tesla by 5 times, and that of Bitcoin by 10 times. With its present market worth of $5.89 trillion, Shiba Inu might end up earning more money than the US government does in taxes each year. An estimated $4 trillion if its valuation of 1 cent comes to fruition. It is unreasonable to expect Shiba Inu's market value to exceed Ethereum's, considering that Shiba is built on Ethereum ERC-20. A large number of SHIB coins will have to be burned in order to reach the target of 1 cent. Cryptocurrencies include digital currencies that operate on blockchain technology, such Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Have their own unique monetary value. Their mining system is powered by thousands of computers, which assure its steady operation. However, similar to Tether and Binance Coin, Shiba is a cryptocurrency that uses ERC-20 tokens. Apple, Tesla, and Google, among others, are valuable companies with market capitalizations exceeding $1 trillion. These companies make fantastic products that the majority of consumers find appealing. Shiba has no intrinsic value and is merely a community-backed currency. This renders it worthless in and of itself. Shiba Inu is showing signs of improving long-term momentum, and investors are buying the stock when prices drop in order to profit from this trend. Nevertheless, there are numerous others who are doubtful about the initiative's advancement. Strong social networks are the cornerstone of the Shiba Inu breed. Currently, over 75% of shareholders are deemed substantial holders, and around 50% of shareholders enjoy considerable financial success. One could conclude that the current price drop is merely seasonal and that bulls will quickly regain their strong position because of this. A major factor in Shiba Inu's heightened volatility is the cryptocurrency's far lower market capitalization compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin. If the value of Shiba Inu has dropped dramatically over the last several weeks, then its future growth prospects are very well non-existent. In the near future, the price will hit a new peak. Despite the possibility that Shiba Inu could reach 1 cent, investors should not allow that discourage them from continuing to invest. Having a strong community is crucial to Shiba's development because it is an alternative cryptocurrency. The fact that there is a thriving Shiba